Okay, hello dear friends. Let's take a look at these problems. Include unit circle drawings for all relevant problems. Show your work, no calculators. Find the exact value of cosine 120 degree. So you can, whenever you meet this kind of problem, you can go online. For example, let's go to Google. Just go to Google and use the keyword unit circle. There are many wonderful teachers or wonderful people or wonderful anybody, nobody like myself. I'm putting a lot of information online, such as my internet is not working well. Yes, you can find a lot of unit circles. You search image, all these unit circles pop up. Choose one that you like the most, and for example, choose any of them. Anyway, I have took picture of some. So before we do that, we draw question number 1. Blue color, cosine 120 degree. How about we make it just right? Ooh, how I like it. Make it large. Ooh, so large. That I like. So we draw a unit circle. This is the quadrant. Not so good. Anyway, that's about it. So 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. 60 degrees around here. Ooh. And 120 degree. Cosine 120 degree. Cosine is the x value. Is here. So cosine 100 degree is an x value, and at this the whole length is 1. Is right in half of 1. So it's half. And its x value is this, y value is 0. So cosine, this is your work process, and this is you show your work, right? So cosine 120 degree equal to negative half. Question number 2, cotangent. Negative 4 pi over 3. So first, let's figure it out. What is negative 4 pi? So pi is 180 degree, right? So a third of pi equal to 60 degree. And negative 4 times 60 degree is negative 240 degree. Okay, so do we draw a new? We can draw a new circle. So we are drawing a new circle, and we do 90 degree, 180 degree, and 60 more. So here it is. So this is negative 240 degree. And 30 degree more will become negative 270 degree. So this is cotangent is 邻边, this one against this one. It's adjacent. Adjacent cotangent equal to adjacent ADJ. Against, opposite, opposite. So adjacent here, this is adjacent. Adjacent, how much is it? This is negative, this is 60 degrees, so this is negative half. And this y value is, okay, so is the x value is negative half. So let's just write down the point value. And this one is x value is negative root 2 over 1, and the y value is root 3, negative 1 over root 2, positive 3 over 2. And the cotangent is this over this, is adjacent over opposite. So adjacent is y value, x value, negative half, and opposite is the x value, is root 3 over 2. I move it much easier for us to see. So is negative 1 over root 3, so negative root 3 over 3. And that is it. Do I make it more clearer or more complicated? Okay, the third one, secant, this one, I think we can erase them all. Did I erase them all? Should be good. Okay, secant, negative 7 pi over 6. Secant, just so complicated. What is my thought? My thought, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So what is the cosine of negative 7 pi over 6? We know pi over 6 is 30 degrees. So this is negative 210 degrees. Cosecant 210 degrees. Now we go to draw the picture. Okay, so negative 120 and 30 more. And 30 more. So this is it. If we use the unit circle, we can see clearly. We can get the coordinate clearly. So the x value is negative root 3 over 2 x value, and the y value is half, right? Half. And the cosine of this place, cosine is x value. So cosine negative 210 degrees equal to negative root 3 over 2. So flip it over. Secant is negative root 3 on bottom, 2 on top. Now we will write it again. It's equal to negative 2 root 3 over 3. And that is the result. Okay? Erase it. We do not want to waste paper, so I think we are pretty good. Question number 4. Let's first copy this problem. Question number 4. Tangent negative 2 pi over 3. We do it one at a time. First, I am just so uncomfortable with this radians. I change it. I know pi over 3 is 60 degree. So here I got is tangent negative 120 degree. Now we go to our unit circle. Find 120 degree, or negative. Negative 90 degree and 30 degree more is 120 degree. So this is it. This point. We need to figure out the coordinate of this place. Not thinking about anything, we just want to write down the coordinate. The x value is x value is negative half. And the y value is negative root 3 over 2. Right? Okay. So because it's a negative 120 degree. Now we come back. Tangent is cosine over sine. So cosine is negative root 3 over 2, and sine cosine is the x value. I just got it wrong. I am sorry. So cosine is the x value. X value is negative half. And sine is the y value. Y is negative root 3 over 2. Negative, negative, we can cross cancel. And the bottom 2, we can cross cancel. So it is 1 over root 3. It is root 3 over 3. So this is the result. Okay? Okay, question number 5. Oh, I like it. So cool. Question number 5, cosecant. Let's copy this. Sometimes just by copying, it helps me to process my thought. You know, in my class, sometimes students do not want to copy. That is so that is missing a lot. Pi over 6 is 30 degrees, so it's negative 30 degree, right? Equal to cosecant negative 30 degree. What is cosecant? It just makes me very, very confusing. I know some people can do it, but I'm very much more comfortable with sine, cosine. Cosecant is the opposite of sine. Right? This we know. Now I will erase this. Okay, now let's take a look at sine 30 degree, negative 30 degree. So I will draw a unit circle. Roughly. This is a unit circle. Negative 30 degree is here. That is enough. So go from this way, 30 degree, right? So what do we need to do? Figure out the x and y value. So the x value is root 3 over 2. And the y value is negative half. And so sine is the y value equal to 1 over sine negative 30 degree is 1 negative half. So flip it up. The result is 2 and it's a negative value. And that is it. So it seems not doable. It's clear, right? Good, everything. Question number 6. Question number 6. Sine 630 degree. Let's do a unit circle. First, 630 degree. We make it within one period, because later on it will be just repeating. We do not want to see so much repeating. Equal to sine 360 degree plus 600 minus 13.67.6，1减6，2减3。Because it's a repeating number, right? So this is a sine 270 degree. Come back here. Draw a line here. So x of sine 270 degree. 90 degree, 180 degree, 207 degree. It's here. It is here. And the coordinate is the x value is 0. And the y value is negative 1. And sine is y value. So it's negative 1. And that is the result. Okay? Are we good? Okay, question number 7. Ooh, for a long time I didn't do it, so it needs some time. Cosine arctan -1. Arctan -1. What angle equal to what angle, tangent of what angle equal to -1? Now, -1, what does it mean? It means x value, y value is the same. So, here is the same, here is the same. And every pi, there is a circle, so or there is a repeating. So this one, -1, so this one is 90, 135. So 135 degree plus n times pi. Every 180 degree, no, n times 1, not this, n times 180. Every time there is 180 degree, there is a turn. N is integer, any integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, 2, 3, 4, all good. So, here. And at this time, the cosine, sine, we need to write down the coordinate. The x value at this point is root 2. X value is negative. Root 2, x value, negative. Root 2 over 2. And the y value is positive. Root 2 over 2. And at this point, the x value is positive. Root 2 over 2. The y value is negative. Negative root 2 over 2. So cotangent at this time. Cotangent will be cosine. Cosine is the x value. So it's negative root 2 over 2, which is correct. This is resolution 1, result 1, cosine alpha equal to this. And we can also use this one. And the x value is positive, root 2 over 2. Cosine alpha is root 2 over 2. This is also a good value. If the teacher gives you a definition, 定义域, the range, domain and range. If the teacher gives you a domain and range, you can answer with one exact number. If not, both of these is correct. Boring enough, right? I'm pretty sure you are falling asleep. I am not a math teacher, high school math teacher. I am just doing it for my personal fun, personal gain, personal, very evil spirit having my own fun, not evil spirit. Question number 8. Secant sine -1 negative. Did they say it is not in a particular quadrant or a particular? Secant is the opposite of cosine, right? And we know the sine, we can find the cosine. For this kind of question, I can do like this. Sine is negative, so the angle is let me think about it a little bit. Think with me. So sine is the y value, right? So this is -7. And this is... So I should draw my picture like this. Like this. One moment. I should draw my picture like this. 725. Okay, we can draw our picture like this. Erase this one. Good. Erase this one. Okay, so this is -7 because y value is sine, and the hypotenuse is 25, and this is the x value. But actually, we can draw it like this also. We can draw it like this also, right? This is -7. This is 25. And x value can be a negative number. 49, 625. 25 square minus 7 square equal to 506. 1减4 7 576 576. Let me see. Must be 24. Let's try. 4 6 24 4 What is doing? 4 4 16 9 8 576. So this one is 24 or -24. Both are correct. So secant is the opposite. So cosine of this angle, cosine of alpha equal to 25, 24 over 5. So secant is 25 over 24. Cosine alpha can also be -24 over 25. So secant can be -25 over 24. So there are two solutions if there is no domain and range. restriction. Make sense? It's a large one. Okay, the last question, question number 9. Let's copy this problem. Question number 9. Cosecant inverse of cosine 30 degree. Cosine 30 degree. Draw a unit circle. Find 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So let's see the x value. X value. This is all positive because it's in the first quadrant. X value. X. Oh, sorry. I really need to buy a glove. X value is the long one. Oh my goodness. The x value is root 3 over 2. And the y value is half. So cosecant, the inverse of 30 degree, I'm a little bit stuck here. Cosecant, cosine 30 degree. Cosine 30 degree. Cosine 30 degree. Oh, okay, so let's first rewrite this problem. Cosine 30 degree equal to x value, root 3 over 2. So cosecant inverse of root 3 over 2. It's impossible because this number is smaller than 1. This is smaller than 1. And cosecant must be bigger than 1. So this is impossible. I think the teacher is fooling us around. This number is impossible. In the world of normal people with normal intelligence and more normal way of thinking, there is no solution. Too bad. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Do do do.